Feeding Concepts has been established as the leader in the parts feeder handling and vibratory feeder orienting industry. We offer a variety of vibratory feeder and parts feeder solutions, including service on feeding equipment, refurbishing, replacement or retooling, retrofitting, and new turnkey systems. If you need a new part for your parts feeder, a service call, or an entirely new vibratory feeder system, please give us a call or submit an online quote request at www.feedingconcepts.com. Some of the industries we have worked with include automotive, food, medical, fasteners, electrical, and packaging. We would be glad to help with all of your vibratory part feeder needs. Since 1989, Feeding Concepts has been built upon a firm foundation consisting of a strong mission statement that guarantees that the customer's feeding equipment needs come first.